Hello everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Zuru 5 surprise My Mini Baby box and balls. But first, let's check out one of these My Mini Babies. I bought this ball a while back and have been patiently waiting to open it. And this is officially one of the first Zuru balls that we're miniaturizing, because prior to this, we've only done the Make It Minis. All right, let's see what we got in here. Ooh, this is a big one. Let's see what's inside. We got the little miniature changing table. And here's how it looks when it's all put together. Now let's see which baby we got. Let's see here. All right, okay, we've got one of the yellow sets. And it comes with the mat to put on your changing table, like so. A yellow baby blanket, and a little bow for the baby's head. And here's our little baby. Whew, she's a little red. This one's paint job is not as good as some of the other ones I've seen. I guess she's a fresh, newborn little baby. You can just push on that little bow and wrap her up tight in her blankie. Oop, gotta tuck that little end under, like so. Oh, these really are some of the cutest little babies I've seen. And now we can put her down in our little crib. There are 3 babies in the series, and we've got a stroller, changing table, crib, and a little bouncer in each of the colors. Now, when I was picking up my My Little Baby ball, I found this Gabby's Dollhouse, and I thought the little house would look adorable in our little nursery. I honestly have no idea what's inside of these things because I only bought it for the little dollhouse. So let's find out. Inside, we have, it's a little cupcake kitty, and it pops on to this little log sitting by a fire. I think this little kitty cupcake would melt. And here is the little buyer's guide, and it looks like there's 12 to collect, and there's different little kitty creatures in each one. But let's be honest, I really just bought this for the dollhouse. So I'm just gonna add it over here in the corner of my nursery. If you haven't seen our video for this nursery, I'll add the link in the description box below. All right, it's time to get crafting. To get the printable for this project, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. And of course, the link will be in the description box below. Once you have your box cut out, I fold down the top and the bottom tabs. And to whoever told me to get a bone for folding so that my paper wouldn't squeak, you're absolutely right. It works perfectly. Now, once I have the top and the bottom folded, I go back and I cut my tabs. I just cut straight in and then cut back at an angle. For all the tabs. I also cut the side tab at an angle as well. So it should look like this when you're all finished. Then I go back and I fold all the sides. Now, once you've got everything folded, you can glue the sides together, bottom and top, and be finished. Or, if you want it to be fancy with a cutout in the front, you can take your knife and cut out that front window. I normally start with my knife, and then I come back in with my scissors and do some of the more detailed spots. Creating an opening like so. Then I come in with my glue stick and I add glue to my side tab to start and glue it to the side of the box. Add glue to the bottom 2 tabs so that they will stick to the bottom of your box, and glue down the back side of the box to the tabs. Add more glue and glue down the front. And then you should have the bottom of the box that is laying flat for you. Fold in your top tabs and your back flap. Add the glue and glue down that front tab. And now you have a miniature Zuru 5 Surprise My Mini Baby box. All right, now we need to make the little balls to go inside. Cut out 2 of the round top and bottom pieces and the My Mini Baby strip. I did leave a little bit of the white on one side just so I have some overlapping. And then you'll need a 1/2 inch bead. The first thing you're going to do is take the top and bottom round pieces and cut little darts into the side of them so they can curve down over your bead. And you're just going to go all the way around. Like so. You'll also need to cut little strips all the way down the top and bottom of the little My Mini Baby wrap for the ball so that it can curve around the shape of the bead. So all the way along the bottom and all the way along the top. And I try not to cut into the wording. Try to avoid that and let the other areas curve more. Like so. Take the top piece, add glue, and glue it to the top of your bead. Glue on the bottom, and then let the bead dry before gluing on the middle section. Before I add glue to the white strip, I kind of like to curve it a little bit up with my fingernail, just so it starts to curve like it would be around the ball. And then I add my glue. Not too much though, because you don't want glue all over your ball and all over the printable. See, like right here, I got too much glue. So I'm going to try to get rid of that before I get it all over the print. So take your ball and glue it around the middle. Curving up the top and the bottom. And I kind of like to roll it in my hand a little bit to help the shape curve in. Like so. Isn't that amazing? Now you have a My Mini Baby Zuru 5 Surprise Miniature Baby Ball for your dolls. And then, if you've cut the hole out of your box, you can pop your little miniature balls right inside. Like so. Now, I need to make a few more. Now, if you've been following me as I build my miniature store, you'll have a new item to add to your miniature shelves. Now, the question is, what miniature toy would you like to see us make next? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Poppy Seed Mini. We hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have fun crafting and collecting. See you next time.